We are saying goodbye to the winter, hopefully. We are having the last snow in the ground. It's melting very fast, it's very warm. And today's plan is to go explore this new forest. I've never been here before. Weather is fantastic. There's a river somewhere over there running free. There's a lot of flood water. And I'm very hopeful that we're gonna be finding at least something. I don't know yet what, but let's just keep our fingers crossed. And I have my dog with me. And without much further ado, let's go straight into it. Amazing weather, just super warm. The thing that I love the most about Finland is that all the lands, no matter whether it's private land or owned by the government, it's all accessible to everybody. And I think that is just fantastic. This location is so amazing. I just accidentally found this. There's a field next to me, this old barn filled with these poles or whatever. Yeah, we are still kicking with the audio. I just filmed a video about Northern Lights photography, so check that out at some point. I'll try to remember and put the link over there when it's up. I'm not sure which one comes first. Okay, Hugo, you are going crazy. I think we are gonna have to... Do we have to put you somewhere else, or can you relax? I'm sorry I didn't bring any treats with you. With me for you. Hey, okay, this is not... Hey, come here. Hugo, come here. Come here. Maybe you can relax for a moment. Hey, everything is okay. Just look at this place. I just completely love this location. Oh, it's just tricky always with the dog. Let's have a Coke. So anyway, I wanted to... Yeah, sit, please. Hugo. I wanted to talk with you about... Excuse me. What happened yesterday when we went to film the Northern Lights, because I didn't tell this in the previous video that I did. We were driving to this place, this location. Sun had just set, so the sky was still, there was like a little bit of light still. We were driving, and then there were these street lights, and on top of one street light there was a huge owl, like this big, just a massive owl sitting right over there. I went crazy. It was like, owl, look at that owl. And so your nose is all dirty. So we drove next to the road, parked over there, and because we were going Northern Light photography, I didn't even bring my telezoom with me, so I only had a wide angle lens, so I didn't even try to take any pictures. The owl was sitting next to the lamppost, which was on, and that is why the owl was just like a silhouette. I didn't see any colors, but the shape was definitely great grey owls. It was way too big for Ural owl, even though Ural owl is big as well, but this was like really huge. It could have been also eagle owl. I'm not 100% sure, but it was either great grey owl or eagle owl. Anyway, just really great spotting. It was like maybe 20 meters from us, sitting over there, and as I went back to the car to get binoculars to see it closer, to get a better look, it flew away into the darkness. So that was it. But if I had my Sigma with me, I would have had a really great silhouette type of an image of it. But yeah, these things just happen sometimes. I'm just really grateful that I got to see it, because in the last video I was like getting very excited about or hopeful to see a great grey owl soon. So it happened really just a few weeks and it happened. Kind of amazing. But yeah, I guess we're gonna continue because Hugo is getting impatient. The snow is actually melted pretty well, but it's kind of very moist, and my leather boots are not waterproofed right now, so it's kind of hard to walk over here. But I don't care. Some birds are singing, and it's just so warm. It's amazing. Anyway, hey, let's continue. Finally, I know you're happy about that at least. It's kind of tricky to. Hello, great tit. Can we take? Oh man, we can't take a photo because my camera is over there. There would be just a great golden light right now. It's right over there. Can you hear it? Yeah, I was just about to say that I have a little bit problems with doing these vlogs right now because I don't have Arca-Swiss tripod, but I have the Arca-Swiss compatible plate over here, but it's useless because I don't have the tripod. Wow, what is, oh, that's a Peippo. What is that in English? I'll write the name over here. It's a problem right now. I have to figure out something for this problem because I always have to put my vlog camera into the backpack, and then it's kind of just a mess to film anything. And I want to use my main camera with my you know, this lens, but the vlog camera that I'm using right now has a problem. It doesn't recognize the electric settings, you know, of a lens. So for example, these electric Samyang lenses, which I'm using right now, the 24mm, it doesn't work with my vlog camera because there's some kind of issue. So I have to use only manual lenses with that one, and it's just a mess. It's just a really mess, you know. I can't do handheld stuff because they don't have stabilizers, and I have to figure out something to make this work a little bit better so I don't miss these opportunities like right now. A lot of snow still in the ground, way too much to go deeper into the woods without snowshoes. And I left mine at the cabin. All the little birdies were up high on the treetops, so no luck with them either. Next time I'm gonna show you something really exciting. I'm gonna take you with me on a trip to photograph some reptiles. We are gonna go and see if we're able to find adders and little lizards. They are so cool. You won't believe how cool they are. But anyway, this was it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on the next video. By the way, what did you think about the image quality? I'm right now using a vintage lens. But anyway, take care. Bye bye.